good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world, and analysts. How is everybody? Happy Monday, right? Welcome to the Professional Forex Trading Course 101. My name is Mike, the FX boss, not your boss. Anyway, Forex Trading Week, finally, right? Finally, everybody. So, never forget, trading is a learnable skill when you learn in the correct way. What's the goal? To go from zero to hero in about 3 years on average. In an institutional way, what is this? First the analyst, then the trader, right? Text here, we are not trying to do anything special. Here you are just trying to comprehend how an analyst Forex course 101 grows into a professional trader. Forex course 202 an institutional way. Makes sense? You are going to learn the basics here, then how sophisticated you want to get, it's up to you about the Fibonacci's and other stuff, everybody. And never forget, you are going to graduate from this course when you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number 2, you have a strategy in place. You understand how you win, how you lose. No, you don't need to have an edge. Don't worry. And number 3, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. Risk disclaimer, this stream is not trading and or investing advice. We are here to learn, especially in the Forex Trading Week, where we are trying to implement what we have learned into the live markets, right? So we've learned Fibonacci's the last time. Alright, everybody, so for questions and homeworks, you have the Gmail and you have Skype too. Alright, so this week it's all about you, everybody. Alright, so we are going to start from here and the process, right? What's the process to help me not to waste time and for anybody else in here? Give it a second. Give it a second, give it a second, give it a second. Where can, alright, here, right? Alright, so the process. What's the process? The process. Hopefully my English is correct. So number 1, the process. So type in the chat, please. Type in the chat. Number 1, buy or sell, meaning if you want to go long or short. Number 2, what time frame. Number 3, what pattern are you trying to buy or sell? Number 4, where is the stop loss? Number 5, where is the take profit number? Alright, everybody? Yes, you're going to trade your strategy. No, you can choose any time frame. You need to decide. So, Forex Trading Week, we're trying to implement what we have learned so far, right? So, do you want to buy or sell, long or short? What time frame? What pattern? Where is the stop loss number? Where is the take profit number? Okay? No, there is no right or wrong. Any currency is just for this week. Yes, I'm going to put the name. Otherwise, you know, it's on the same currency pair. Otherwise, I can't. I don't know who is doing what. Makes sense? Alright. So we have one not on YouTube. Alex. Alex wants to short and the cat. Alright. Alex, I need the stop loss. I need the take profit. Daily chart, alright. Daily chart. Stop loss. 8. Give me a second. Stop loss 84278. So stop loss is 0.0.84. Give me a second, everybody. It's on the other stream platform. Stop loss is set on 84278, and the take profit is at take profit 0.788. 0.788. 00. Submit sell. Submit orders. Alright, so we are going to do like this, and I'm not sure about the circle. I'm shorting the daily Fibonacci, boss. Alright, original one or confirmation? Confirmation, so we're going to put at comment Alex short daily confirmation Fibonacci. Okay, we have one. And the confirmation Fibonacci. Whoa, this is the weekly. I need to go on the daily. Are you sure that's the daily stop loss? Alright, everybody, give me a second. Give me a second. Hopefully, do we have a Fibonacci? Yes, we do. Alright. Oh, it broke the high here. Where is the widget? Oh, there you go. Yeah, I'm going to chart it. Give me a second. I just need to find. Is this 84150? 84142. Wow. Still a lower high. Lower high. And red went to red. Red went to red, but this one it's lower. 141, 142. So we need to restart. We need to restart the Fibonacci. Blue goes to green, goes to green in here, everybody. Green goes to green, didn't hit the blue. And finally red, right? Red goes to red, which is down in here. All right. Whoops. Everybody, what do you think about Alex trade? There is no right or wrong. Well, the take profit, it's a degree. I mean, it makes sense, right? Take profit, it's the extension. It's shorting the daily confirmation Fibonacci. Now the stop loss, it's not above the 8, it's a little bit above. There is no right or wrong, I mean... Boss, my stop loss, it's a little bit above to give me a little bit of security. Being safe. Well, it makes sense too, right? No, it makes sense. I mean, this is not the really the... It makes sense to me, but talking about risking more or less, your stop loss should go on... But it's alright, it's alright. Stop loss should go on the A, right? But I understand if we go from the daily to the weekly, you know, and talking about, yeah, I know what you mean, talking about the market wave, Alex said, alright, this is the market wave, so... Come on. That's the market wave, so I better put my stop loss a little bit above, right? Was this the thinking process? Boss, what about the risk-reward ratio? Well, Forex course 101, right? Risk-reward ratio, it's not good. Unless Alex entered, because it's today, right? Unless Alex entered here at the, oops, at the counter trendline break, right click, at the counter trendline break. Now then it's alright. It's 1 for 1.5. Yes, because it's right now. Alex, if you entered at the counter trendline break, so risk-reward ratio, it's alright if you put the stop loss above the A. Yes, we can take this in consideration, everybody, don't worry. Yeah, I'm not seeing a lot of students on YouTube. I'm not sure if hedge fund trader Sam is here, or hedge fund trader Ali, or hedge fund trader Sandy, or hedge fund trader Melissa. Next, anybody else? Don't be shy, everybody. We are here to learn. We are here to learn, everybody. There is no right or wrong. No, this is the... Thank you very much. The Forex trading week, everybody, it's for you to trade, makes sense? Not me. I'm trading, we have Monday, Wednesday, Friday, we have the trading sessions together when I trade. Otherwise, this Forex trading week, it's for you to trade. For you to prove your skill. All right? Robert says, okay, everybody, let's do it a little bit different. So this is That's the process, right? But I don't have here the Fibonacci's. Robert want to short euro dollar on the daily chart, all right. We have Alex, give it a second. All right, I'm going to explain to you. Okay. What I'm going to do now, everybody, this is what we're trying to train. It's a Forex trading week where the purpose is to implement what we have learned so far from theory into the live markets, all right? So, Alex positions, okay, Alex shorted NZD, right? And now we have Robert, how you pronounce the name, that wants to short euro dollar. Now, if we go on euro dollar monthly chart, everybody, you see that the monthly chart original Fibonacci is down, all right? And you see that the confirmation Fibonacci is down too, agreed? All right. No brainer, thank you very much. Then we go on euro dollar weekly chart and we see that the big one, the weekly is down, the weekly original is down, all right? And you have the confirmation going down too. And the contrarian, of course, it's up, right? So we have original on the monthly and original on the weekly going down. We have the alignment. Then we go to the daily, but the daily original Fibonacci is up. Make sense? Nothing wrong, Robert wants to short the market. I'm just trying to tell you, to explain to you what are we trying to do in here. So monthly is down, talking about the original Fibonacci's, the weekly is down, the daily original Fibonacci is up. Alright, now listen up. Compared to the alignment of NZD-CAD. No, I'm not saying anything. I'm not saying that Alex is right. I'm not saying that Robert is wrong. I'm trying to explain to you what are we doing here in the Forex trading week. We go to NZD-CAD monthly chart, price action, and we see that similarly to euro dollar, the monthly chart is down Fibonacci wise, and the confirmation Fibonacci is down too. We did this on euro dollar already. Then we go on NZD-CAD weekly chart. Well, this was really the weekly. Above, there you go. So monthly chart, we have the big one, the monthly chart is going down, and the confirmation Fibonacci is going down too. Then we go on the weekly chart again. Yeah, sorry about that. The weekly Fibonacci original one is down, and the confirmation is down too. So similarly to euro dollar, we have the similar alignments. Where is the difference? When we go to the daily chart, the daily chart is down too. And this is the weekly again. Give me a second, everybody. Weekly, daily. We need the daily. There you go. Is this the daily? Daily. There it is. There it is. There it is. And this is from the alignments. All right. So when Alex is shorting the confirmation Fibonacci, this one, you know, talking about probabilities, comparing NZD-CAT Fibonacci trading to Euro-Dollar Fibonacci trading, who has the greater chance? Boss, I don't know. Well, in terms of alignments, who has a better chance in terms of alignments? That's the system. Does Robert has a better alignment? And I believe I need to redo the Fibonacci's. So one last time from here to here. There you go. Are those two the same? They are not, right? So Robert, and give me a second. So short, Robert want to short, sell, stop loss. It's at 1.09812, and the take profit is at 1.03700. Says Robert. Submit orders. There you go. We have two. Oh, this is Robert shorting. Let me add the comment. Robert shorting. Robert short daily contrarian Fibo. There you go. NZD-CAT has a better alignment, exactly. Yeah, no risk reward ratio, it's going to be an issue because it's during the stream, right? Anybody on YouTube, do you want to take a chance? We are in the Forex trading week, where we are trying to implement what we have learned so far into the live markets. We're talking about trading the Fibonacci's. I would like to hear from some students from YouTube. We have two from the other streaming platform, everybody. Alex is shorting the daily confirmation Fibonacci on NZD-CAT, and Robert is shorting Euro-Dollar, the daily, this one. Hedge fund trader Sam, hedge fund trader Ali, hedge fund trader Melissa, hedge fund trader White Rabbit, do you want to take a chance? Type in the chat. So again, everybody, you know, it's right now, okay? It's right now. F11. Somebody is late, yeah, give me a second, everybody. Some people are coming now. Just to remind them about the process. Give it a second. Everybody, that's the process. Type in the chat, YouTubers too, if you would be so kind. Type in the chat, there is no right or wrong. If you want to buy or sell, type in the chat what time frame. Type in the chat what pattern. And where would you have the stop loss and the take profit. No, there is no right or wrong. Anybody in YouTube want to take a chance? You can take any currency pairs, any time frame. No, you don't need to trade the Fibonacci necessarily. But in this Forex trading week, what we're trying to do, we're trying to implement what we have learned so far into the live markets. Yes, the alignment from NZD CAD, it's better, exactly. Boss, why is the alignment from NZD CAD better compared to the... Alright everybody, so one more time. If you go on NZD CAD, I know what you mean, it makes sense. But you need to look at every Fibonacci like a singular alignment. Does this make sense? Now, this is NZD CAD monthly chart. If you look just at the original one, alright? Original ABCD, alright? You can trade the three of them, we're clear on that. You can trade the confirmation, you can trade the contrarian. Alright, ABCD, alright. Good? Is down, yes sir. Now, if I go on NZD CAD weekly and I take just in consideration the original Fibonacci, without the confirmation, the weekly original Fibonacci ABCD is down too, agreed? Alright. Now we go on NZD CAD daily Fibonacci. See here, ABC is down too, agreed? Alright, so I know that you can trade the contrarian and you can trade the confirmation and you have different alignments, but for you to understand alignments, now let's compare euro dollar. This is what is missing to some students when they come to the Forex course 2022. Okay, now compare the alignments. Euro dollar monthly chart, the big one, and yeah, my bad. A, so that's the A up in here, that's the B down in here. B, can I take the B? There you go, that's the B. I'm messing with pivot points, so there you go, that's the B. A, B, A to B. Maybe I have too many pivot points, huh? Just maybe, right? I need to double check. Yeah, there are too many. So A, B, and up in here you have the C, right? Compared to NZD CAD. All right, very good. Yes, sir. Now we go to Euro-dollar weekly chart. The big one, the capital ABCD, it's up in here. This Fibonacci is still working. It's going down, boss. Yes, it is. Now the differential is the daily. Everybody, is the daily original one A to B, B to C going up or down? A to B, B to C. On NZDCAD you have the monthly chart going down, you have the weekly chart going down, and you have the daily chart going down. Euro dollar, you have the monthly chart going down, original Fibonacci only. You have the weekly Fibonacci going down, original only, but you have the daily original going up. That's the difference in alignments when you are trying to figure out what pair to trade maybe, or on what Fibonacci to put more risk maybe, on what Fibonacci to put less risk maybe, and on what Fibonacci to stay out. Does this make sense? All right. Larissa, how are you? Want to go long on USD JPY? Are you sure? For our chart, up to you. USD JPY. Oh no, I didn't say I didn't say anything. Give me a second. Larissa wants to go long on the original Fibonacci on USD JPY for our chart. And not this one. Here. Alright. Alright, everybody. Give me a second. I don't have it. Let's check before I put the numbers in. And I need to save. Need to find the original Fibonacci. Alright, and save. Original Fibo. Save. Alright. Original Fibonacci is either way high to low, and we're going to do it like this one. Alright, green goes to green. Which one is higher? High 143727, 143773. So it's not this one. It's not this one. Wow, that's the high. From here to here. I'm going to explain to you what is the problem that I see. I mean, my opinion, alright? This is no trading or investment advice, everybody. Do what you think is best for you. Follow your strategy. And green goes to green again. Green goes to green again. Give me a second. Is it higher? Yes, it's alright. I'm just going to double check if it's a high. Yes, it is. All right, so give me a second. F11 and disable so far. F11 just to see the numbers. Yeah, we are not calculating any lots, not to waste time. And okay, so Larissa wants to buy, and stop loss is going to be for our chart 146.480 and take profit 157.000. Submit. All right, give it a second. Finally a woman, right? Add a comment. Larissa Long for our FIBO. Everybody, it's my opinion, alright? I would not go long on USD JPY because we are at the monthly bands. But I need to do something for you. I need to go here and settings and preferences and general, and I need to go to UTC for you to have the clear picture. So talking about the monthly band, no, I'm not saying that Larissa is wrong, far from this. But the last time the market reversed like huge, it was here. Can you see this, everybody? This was the monthly band. It went up to here, down to here, and well, I don't know how to clone. Anyways, you know, and then the market came up to here and reversed. And at least me, I was thinking, all right, now this is the monthly band. This market is going to fall down. Would this make sense? So this would be the lower band. And up in here, give me a second, let's me a brighter color. Violet, all right, violet, yellow, violet, all right. This would be the lower band, and this would be the upper band. Make sense? If I make Fibonacci transparent a little bit, transparency, and here it's all right. There you go. But then the market, so the market pushed down and reversed and went back up for the second time. Now the good news, the good news about Larissa's trade is that the take profit is quite near. Yeah, risk reward ratio is not good, but you can talk to me, Larissa, type in the chat. Everybody, this is on the other streaming platform, not on YouTube. But maybe the mindset is, oh, I don't want to go up to here because this is then the upper band and the market could reverse in between, right? So the last upper band, so far the market can do anything it wants. CHF JPY wise, but this is my issue why when Larissa said, oh, let's buy USD JPY on the 4-hour chart, I said, are you sure? That's the why. Because we are at the monthly band. Last time it was this one, but now we are getting through. Maybe this is going to be the last one. Okay. This is me personally thinking for... No, I'm not saying right or wrong. There is no right or wrong. You need to figure out, everybody, what works for you best. But talking about Larissa's trade, you know, so I mean, me personally, I would not go long anymore. Not in here. Me personally, for me, you know, it's too dangerous. And talking about the Fibonacci, see how many times the market broke the Fibonacci? Once, twice, 3 times. Now it's going up, fair enough. So that we can measure the daily Fibonacci too, if you want, everybody. From here to here. Green goes to green, from here to here. And it's almost at the extension. Now Fibonacci theory, Larissa, this trade might not be the best because the Fibonacci theory says when the market hits the extension, remember the slides? On the daily, then we should profit take at the daily, not at the 4-hour. Just an example. Do you want to keep it like it is? It's a risk-reward, yeah, exactly, it's a risk-reward ratio issue too. If I project the daily, I'm speculating right now, but if this would be the daily, now based on the past, I have a very low probability for the market to come up to here. But it's also true that CHF-JPY, sometimes the market breaks the structure of the monthly bands, but this is going to happen 1, maybe 2 currency pair in a decade. Does this make sense? Based on the history. Seeing here, everybody? Back in time, this was those were the monthly bands. Back in time, this was the upper band, back in time. But then the market went up, 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 and bam, seen this one? So this was the upper band. And the market didn't come down to this band, to the lower band. The market started to rally. It broke through the upper band, and we are up in here. So now this becomes the upper band. Does this make sense? Boss, what's the lower band? This is still the lower band. Those, the other one, become pivot point, support, resistance. Now, those are the key levels, right, to watch, okay? So, once the market starts to fall, and I don't know when, you know, then it's a guessing game how it's going to react here. Is it going to push forward to down here, or is this pair in particular going to move up further up? Talking about USD JPY, the market can do anything it wants, when it wants. But nonetheless, the two countries, they have a contract, or they might not have a contract, but they are going to have a contract, so it's import and exports. And for the advanced trader students, as you might know, Switzerland starts to cut the interest rate, central bank interest rate, and Japan starts to increase the interest rate. Talking about a little bit about fundamentals. Boss, what do you predict? Me personally, I'm expecting the market to start to fall. But I agree with you, this is one pair that it's not the easiest to trade. So everybody, as you can see, the issue is the yen, right? Back in time, me too, you know, if the market went up to here and start to reverse, I was thinking, oh, this is the upper band. But then, whoops, got back up. Exactly, and now it became a waiting game. It became a waiting game, everybody. Alright? Okay, everybody, thank you very much for today. Let's finish. Hopefully tomorrow there are going to be more YouTube students, more YouTubers, student traders on YouTube. Congratulations to Robert, Alex, and Larissa. Okay, everybody, this is all for today. Until tomorrow, analyze the market like a boss. Never forget, you are the boss of your own account, and this is the boss signing off.